Trenitalia has completed the renewal of its fleet on Trieste-Venice line, introducing modern double-decker trains for all regional high-speed services. The upgrade is part of a €400 million investment plan, including new hybrid trains and more space for bikes and luggage.
We have many new trains, but also a new system to buy the ticket to use the train. So you can use your credit card and easily buy a ticket that is not material, but you can use only your smartphone to go by train in our region.
Today we are 10 trains delivered, and so we have Trieste, the line Trieste-Venezia, all operated with double-decker trains. And another news is that we launch the new service Tap and Tap. When you leave from Trieste to Udine via Cervignano or via Gorizia, you can purchase your ticket by simply by touching the validator, and at the station you depart and at the station of the arrival, and automatically the system will charge the best fare of the day, of the week, of the month.